In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Shopify store and start over. So what you can do is you can go to the left menu, then go ahead and press on online store just like so. And basically once you're over here, you want to go ahead and make sure that themes is selected. And then once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go to theme library and you want to press on these three dots. Then you want to go ahead and select on remove. But yeah, then it might give you a warning that looks like this. So please only do it if you're 100% sure that you want to start over. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on remove just like so. And by the way, if it doesn't let you do it, then what you may need to do is you may need to delete customers, products, etc. So if you have any products over here, for example, you may need to go ahead and delete it if it does tell you to. But in our example, we are good to go. But sometimes, depending on what theme you have, it may ask you to delete your orders, your customers, etc. All right, anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and find a theme for you to use. So let's go ahead and try out this new theme over here. So let's go ahead and press on try theme. All right, so once your brand new theme is in the theme library, then you want to go ahead and press on publish just like so. And that is going to replace your current theme on your website. So go ahead and press on publish once you're 100% sure that you want to go ahead and give yourself a fresh new start. So yep, here it is. And if we go ahead and press on view your store, you will notice that it will now be completely different. And you still do have your product right over here as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.